Hi, assalamu alaikum everyone. So today's study about human brain. So this is the structure of human brain. You must and should have to practice this structure. It is very important and it is repeated in previous year's question papers too. Okay, so let's study. Brain is divided into three parts: forebrain, midbrain and hindbrain. This forebrain consists of cerebrum and hypothalamus. And one thing you have to note down, cerebrum is the very large part of the brain. From here to here it is large part in the brain is cerebrum. Understood? And hypothalamus, this comes under forebrain. And in midbrain, this is the brain which connects the forebrain and the hindbrain. Understood? And it performs the sensory functions related to eyes. And last one is hindbrain. The main function of this hindbrain is it controls involuntary actions like omitting, salivations, sneezing, respiration. All those are controlled by this hindbrain. So let me explain you once again. Forebrain consists of cerebrum and hypothalamus. Cerebrum is the largest part in the brain. And midbrain, this one is midbrain, connects forebrain and hindbrain. And last one is hindbrain, which consists of pons, medulla and cerebellum. We can call cerebellum as the small brain also. Okay, this is also called a small brain of this actual brain. Understood? So let's study the function of these parts of the brain. Forebrain. These parts comes under forebrain, which performs voluntary actions like walking, sensation of feeling, etc. And forebrain consists of parts like cerebrum, which is the largest part, and hypothalamus. You have to write the same function for this forebrain's parts. Midbrain. Midbrain joins the forebrain and hindbrain, and it performs eyes related actions like blinking of eyes, crying, all those things. Okay. And last one is hindbrain. Hindbrain, which is present behind, which controls omitting, respiration, sneezing, etc. And the parts of these hindbrains are pons, responsible for respiration, and medulla oblongata, that also controls involuntary actions and omitting, salivation, all these controlled by this part. And cerebellum, which is also called as small brain. Understood? Also called as small brain, and this balances the body. If you have to stand, if you have to walk at that time, this part of the brain's cerebellum balance our body. Understood? So these are the functions which you have to note down here. I think you have understood this one. Thank you so much. And one thing, without brain, no one can survive. This part is helpful for thinking, balancing our body, speaking, and it performs all the functions related to voluntary and involuntary actions. So brain is very important. It is a center part. Without brain, no one can survive. So study well. Thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe.